Come on kids, let's start to draw. Grab your crayons, one and all. Red and yellow, blue and green. Make the brightest world you've seen. Draw a sun up in the sky. Birds and clouds are flying high. Mountains, trees and rivers flow. Let your happy colors glow. Draw a house with windows bright, stars that twinkle in the night, smiley faces, flowers too. Add some rain with drops so blue. Draw a cat, a dog, a bee. Make a rainbow by the sea. Drawing fun for girls and boys. Fill the world with art and joys. Draw a rocket to the moon. We'll be astronauts real soon. Draw a car that goes vroom, vroom. Or a dancing big balloon. Draw your dreams both big and small. You can make them one and all. Colors bright and hearts so free. Draw the world you want to see. So pick a pen, start right now. You're an artist, wow, oh wow. Drawing time is fun and true. The magic lives inside of you. Come on kids, let's start to draw. Grab your crayons, one and all. Red and yellow, blue and green. Make the brightest world you've seen.